Stuffie Theater.
Once upon a time there was a shepherd. That's a guy in charge of sheep.
No, to the right.
So he shepherded, and amongst that shepherding, something suddenly occurred to him.
I believe I have shepherded enough for today. Now I will mess about with the townfolk.
And he yelled,
Wolf, wolf, wolf.
"What?"
Wolf, wolf, wolf.
Townsfolk heard him that time. They grabbed their torches and weapons and shadows and smoke, but when they got there, not one wolf. Man, were they mad.
Can't just cry wolf. Imagine if there's an actual wolf. Foolhardy. Now continue shepherding.
And with that, they returned to Townfolkville. Maybe the shepherding conditions weren't ideal. Whatever the reason, he did the same trick 1 or even 2 more times.
Wolf, 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 wolf.
The audacity. The townsfolk were livid and vowed to never fall for the shepherd's tomfoolery again.
No way.
A 4th time would be overkill,
Yup.
so he set to shepherd. He was halfway through his pre-shepherd warm-ups when he heard a noise.
Man, an actual wolf.
What were the odds? He now found himself face to face with a snarling beast. He yelled,
Wolf!
but the townsfolk weren't having it because of the shepherd's previous malarkey.
Yeah, right. I don't believe him. I don't care if there is a wolf.
But in the end, they did care, because nobody could shepherd like he could. The moral of the story? Take your shepherding duties seriously, or there's gonna be sheep everywhere. It was on this on which the townfolk reflected, when a thought occurred to Seymour the Seal.
Don't wolves travel in packs?
But with their minds on matters of shepherding, they didn't hear him.
I'm pretty sure wolves travel in packs.
And yes, Seymour, wolves do travel in packs.
Stuffie Theater.
Submit your own videos at StuffieTheater.com.